Good morning. We specialize in reviewing a wide range of legal documents to ensure accuracy, compliance, and clarity for our clients. Our services include a thorough review of trust paperwork, powers of attorney, including both general and durable forms, guardianship documents, and legal name or address change forms. We also assist in verifying and updating primary and contingent beneficiary designations for financial and estate planning purposes. Our experienced team ensures that all documents are properly structured, legally sound, and meet current legal standards. Whether you're preparing for the future, updating personal information, or handling sensitive legal matters, we provide detailed and confidential support to give you peace of mind. Our goal is to simplify the process and help you avoid costly legal errors. With a client-focused approach, we are committed to delivering reliable and timely reviews tailored to your unique needs. Let us help you navigate the legal documentation process with confidence.